Hey there, gamers! Experiencing issues with your PS5 not connecting to your Amazon Fire TV stick? Don't worry, you're not alone, and we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps on how to fix PS5 not connecting to Amazon Fire TV stick. By the end of this video, you'll be back to enjoying your gaming sessions seamlessly. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your HDMI connection. First things first, it's essential to ensure all your HDMI connections are secure. Unplug the HDMI cable from both your PS5 and Amazon Fire TV stick. Inspect the cable for any damage or wear. Once you've verified everything looks good, reconnect the HDMI cable firmly into both the PS5s and TV sticks. Step 2. Verify your display settings. The next step is to verify and adjust your PS5's display settings. Turn on your PS5 and navigate to the settings menu. From there, go to Screen and Video and select Video Output. Ensure the resolution setting is compatible with your TV. If the resolution is set too high, it might cause connectivity issues. Lower the resolution and check if the Fire TV stick displays the image correctly. Step 3. Reset network settings on PS5. Connectivity issues can sometimes stem from network settings conflicts. Head to the PS5 settings menu, select Network, then navigate to Settings and choose Set up Internet Connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try a wired connection for a more stable network. Alternatively, reset your network settings by selecting the Reset Your Network Settings option to rule out any misconfiguration. Step 4. Update software on both devices. Software updates can fix bugs and connectivity issues. Ensure your PS5 is running the latest system software by going to Settings, System, System Software, System Software Update, and Settings. Similarly, check for updates on your Amazon Fire TV stick by navigating to Settings, My Fire TV, About, check for updates. Install any available updates and restart both devices. Step 5. Power cycle both devices. Power cycling your devices can help reset and resolve minor bugs. Turn off and unplug both your PS5 and Amazon Fire TV stick from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds to a minute, then plug them back in and power them on. This can resolve temporary glitches impacting their connectivity. Step 6. Factory reset as a last resort. If you've gone through all the steps and the problem persists, consider factory resetting your devices. Be aware that this will erase all data and settings, so it should only be used as a last resort. On your PS5, go to Settings, System, System Software, Reset Options, then select Reset Your Console. For your Fire TV stick, navigate to Settings, My Fire TV, Reset to Factory Defaults. Remember to back up important data before proceeding. And there you have it. We hope these steps help you fix the PS5 not connecting to Amazon Fire TV stick issue. Whether it's checking those HDMI connections, adjusting display settings, or updating software, these solutions should get you back on track. Remember, always ensure your devices are updated and handle any connections gently to prevent damage. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which step worked for you. See you in the next video.